is when I want to make shorts. If I wanna try and, you know, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. Like if I can I do this? Oh, we're back. Okay. I should alter that redeem to have a different face every time. How you doing, Freedom? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Well, ordinarily he looks a little bit more frightening than this, but I was playing around with making him fuzzy. So I'm doing all the doing all this to for just to try and get video into Godot. Points left. You really want to see me have sex on stream, don't you? All right, back to coding. Back to Drupal plus Godot equals, huh? Shit. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting goat. This is your nightmare. ID10T. Yes. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. And then you blow. There. There. That's a skill that you learned. I'm going to open up windsurf. Whoa. Forget I did that. He's glitching. He's stuck. He is so stuck right now. It's amazing. It is. This is great. This is great. He's glitching out. Check this. Irad, are you okay there, buddy? You gonna be okay? And then this is what I love about StreamerBot. Speed. I'm shaking up my bottle. We need to hold hands. Okay. Yes. Please tell me somebody's clipping this.
Give me 5G.
Yeah, let's all, yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right.
See
Catch
you
you later.
next time, Skype.
All right. Yeah. This is a fun game.
That'd be funny if Panda wants to join.
Here also, y'all, is a nice little look at the ant head, and that yellow is
Got it. For nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody listening using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying "oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy" over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off. Please. Ah, Sega. It's a winner. It's a winner. To get a clip of myself here, or if anybody else wants to get it, I want to show off where I'm at with this. Okay. Hello. How we doing? This music is a little sexy. Yeah, it is. So you find that somebody special. You lay real close to them. And then stick your finger right in their ear. Oh, yeah. Ryan, welcome back. Good to see you. All right. Ooh, got us compact. We're gonna compact it. Just focusing on this prompt and the skill. My eyes are kind of hurting. I need better lighting. I tried the NVIDIA virtual key light thing or the AI key light, just didn't. It immediately screamed. It's like, oh, you're doing something else. Turn me off. Turn me off. I'm going to kill your GPU. My table's tilting. Hold on. Give me a second here. Nope, stop. Stop. There we go. No more tilting table. We got this. Use. Exposed form. All right, so the goal today is after I get a couple more of these done, I think menu local action is the only one that I'm really concerned with just yet. Maybe the fields, maybe a couple fields. But then I want to get on the server and try to get everything moving. Yep, that'll do. Bum, bum, dum, dum. Are people gonna want comments? I think they might. Yeah, let's do it just in case. Because you never know if somebody wants to do a blog and have comments on. It's a thing, right? It's something that we should keep in mind. Whoa, uh-oh. Here we go. The speedy one. I'm getting in on this. Boom, there we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, not nearly as exciting as I hoped it would be. Oh well, though. Oh well. Ryan, 3 streams. Congratulations. That's more than 2 streams. Parent. Okay, threaded comments. Yes, parent page. Oh, good. Good accessibility and shit. That's wonderful. Right on. Oh, I think I need to do a little bit of cleanup on StreamerBot as well. That looks good. That looks good. Just a quick little update to a few things here. Let's do the local actions. And then, which one of these are we going to use for the tags? What are we going to use? Maybe we could use the, oh, I got one for tags. What do you look like? It's a badge. Okay. Okay. Right on. I'm glad you're choosing it to spin with me. Thank you. You're doing it too. You're doing it too. All right, now, I've heard of it, but it also costs a subscription if you want all the features, and I don't see a reason to pay for an IDE. I just don't. Some people do, and I respect them for that. I mean, being in PHP and Drupal, you know how often I hear, why aren't you using JetBrains? Why aren't you using PHP Storm? Because I don't want to pay for it. Yes. Right on. I don't have block? Why don't I have block? Custom. Base. Oh, low. Already got block. But you do you, boo. It's already there. Right, there we go. I don't usually have breakfast. I woke up, got straight to took a shower, got straight to here. Rise and grind, you know? I feel dirty saying that. But kind of true because I'm trying to get this shit knocked out. I'm not worried about these three. I want to move on to the fields. Um see, card, no. Okay, got that. And now while that is running, should have a status here. And testing new prod. Okay, SSH, let's get in here. Can I? Kinda, yeah. Can I add a? I need to add an SSH key from Windows to this so I can just work in the editor. But then again, I don't really want to do that. Dude, every time, every single time. Just forget to push. Yeah, push it. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh. Daniel Misro, welcome in over on YouTube. Good to see you. First time as well. I appreciate you stopping by. Right now, working on a hosting platform. It's hopefully going to be used for hosting Drupal sites that don't need developers. You know, pretty damn ambitious, right? DC build. Let's build everything. Let's just make everything start it up again because I got a lot of changes here. So this should build out the changes. I hope that I can finally, I need to make sure that the volumes get set too. So, is there a way to do that? I think I might have to look. Infrastructure. One moment. Yeah, get that. Get that. Trigger logs. No. Full panel. It's almost 9 o'clock here. Traffic. Volumes. Opt crew drop certs. Okay, once that finishes up. Once that finishes up, then I can make sure that folder exists. Because if it doesn't, we're going to have a bad time. Oop. All right, what do we have here? Field. I'm going to do a major refactor because I don't know why I used the site prefix in front of all the classes. It's going to be a big thing to go through and change all of them, but I don't like it. Okay, everything's installing there. That's good. I thought it was not installing, which would be bad. Oh, I'm not looking at prod stuff anymore, so I can turn that off. It's rebuilding everything. Oh, that's another thing that I need to add on to the Kanban. Where you be? There we are. That one, that's going to be Drupal. MVP blocker. Infra. There we go. And then those are lock for yeah, Ryan, I remember. Versions of modules being installed first. Users. Oh, yep, there we go. Create you. And then we've got crap. What was the other thing? What was the other thing that I was gonna do? Some with Drupal. Individual. This is welcome back. Good to see you. Users. Put down. I need a beggar. Beggar? Need a better title for that. Tricky, you finally got it. You finally got it. Congratulations. Eight. It's always you. If you say so, who am I to argue? Who am I to argue? What is this field? Oh, I didn't save this yet. All right, now we're doing it. Now we're doing it. DC up D. You're looking at here. Okay. We can go with this. All right, everything is going. Docker compose PS. Running. Keep running. All right, good. My platform API is up and running. Everything is going. Let's check it out here. What do you mean not secure? No. Why? Well, why? Um, that is not good. Oh, where is the not API? Not that. Not that. It's got to be prefig, which is airspace. Mm. Okay, so I need to do something about this. Clear it out of the system. Um, no. Hash some cookies. After yeah. Okay. Okay, it seems like it might be an issue. Um, well, an issue. Sorry, itchy. Site data. Done. Reload. Not secure. Password is valid. Yes, it's valid. Local. Cache? Anything in cache? No, nothing in here. Then anything here? No, anything here? And anything here? No. That didn't do it. Oh. So how do I reset this? How do I reset this? Why can I click anything there? Privacy, security, main origin. Okay, active content with certificate errors. Recently allowed content load with certificate. Okay, how do I fix that? How do I fix that? Somebody tell me. Applications, clear storage, close or reopen tab. Okay, application, storage, clear site data. You fix it with my nose. And 10 streams, holy shit. Join us. No. That. There's nothing saved. Do I have it open someplace else? Huh? 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 I don't know how to fix it with my nose. What do I do? Oh, you better not be pulling this shit on me. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we good. Yeah? Yeah? No. Steezy Flows Red, welcome in. I don't know how to fix this. All right. Well, anybody else have any ideas? Because fixing it with my nose isn't gonna do the thing. Site settings. Oh, data. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Um, it's one of these, right? Right. Reset permissions. Yeah, any of these, maybe. Scared as, welcome in. I'm working on building out a web hosting platform. Right now, I'm trying to remember how the hell to fix this thing where even though I have a valid SSL, it's not saying that I have a valid SSL, or I'm getting the Chrome thing, and all. Excuse me. No. Hold on. This is good. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to go BRB, but after Belchgate, I don't want to have a repeat. Scared as it depends. It all depends on what you're wanting to do. I personally, I think that CS degrees are good for for learning the algorithms and a lot of other things that maybe you wouldn't pick up if you're being self-taught. With that being said, there's a lot to be said for being self-taught. I have a 2-year degree. I don't have a bachelor's. I've got an associate's. But by the time I got out of school, everything that I learned was already outdated, except the basic stuff, the basic syntax, like the things that carry over between all languages. Hell, I know I fixed this before. Oh, insecure content, it's blocking, but wait, this is blocking. But is that not saving? Reset. Is there a save thing? Do I have to close it? Fuck off. Didn't work. Here it is. Thank you for the follow. Also, Steezy Flows Red. What project are you working on? Sorry, my sneezing took over my face. Gotta close everything. Oh, nope. I want to keep that one open. These are good. Anything over here? I don't believe I've got anything. Oh, maybe I got one here. Oh, oh. F. Walker, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Hope you're having a good day. You know what? One second here. Let me see. Settings. Where the hell? Filter sites. Creo. I use Godot. I absolutely love Godot. You. Yes. Yes. Get rid of you. Yes. Ryan, welcome in. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Everything else, you're cool. I'll be happy when I see a temperature above 0. That's how my day is going. All right. Boom. Boom. Sorry, I'm showing some cookies and stuff. Tasty cookies. You go there. go there. Go away. Yeah, scared as it is bad. I just read something way wrong. Okay. So let's turn off the blur. Fuck yes. Oh, I got plenty of toilet paper. We are safe on the French toast scale. Okay, checking my email. What's going on here? Resend. Where you at? Hey, it's sent. But I'm not seeing, not showing up. What the hell? Ooh, I can hydrate. All right. Let's resend it here. Sometimes they get lost. Okay, it's sent. Why am I not getting my mail? So what's going on right now is I'm using Resend, which is an email service. It says it's delivered as of a minute ago, but this is what I'm using to do email verifications. So when you automatically, or when you sign up, it automatically sends you an email, or it should. But right now it is not. Maybe no. So I don't know if the problem is between insights. Okay, I need to use no reply. Okay, fine, but maybe I need a demarc record to get it through, or something's just caught. Any ideas? Because this is not good if this doesn't work. Let me see. If it's just my career drop email. No, because it's not being sent. It says it's being sent, but I'm not getting anything in my inboxes. So that might be a problem with resend. Do I need to? Hey, Desist, you still around? Can you do me a favor, and I promise to not intentionally dox you? I just sent you something on Discord. Can you check? Try signing up. If you don't mind, you don't have to, but try signing up and see if you get the email. I am not. No, you have to use regular. I'm sorry, the buttons don't work yet. That's on my list, but I wanted to put the buttons there to look all professional and shit. Just use the start your free trial thing. I don't have any billing set. It says all systems operational. I'm gonna check out the status. Email sending. Doesn't say that there's anything. Okay, mine just came through. What? Mine just came through, but it says it was sent at 9:19. So I don't know if that is an issue with Google or with resend. But okay. Well, anyway, I'm logged in now. Desist, let me know. But the weird thing is, it says that it, at least on Google, well, I mean, hell, I've already shown my shit. It says that it arrived at 9:20, but it just popped up. Make sure there's nothing here. Yeah, I'm not gonna push it, but and yours says it sent 2 minutes ago. So it might be a Gmail thing. Anyway, so I logged in, able to log in. I need an admin panel for super user me. like a user management with all the power. All right, I'm going to create my site. Okay, give it a couple seconds here. Boom. Go here. Okay, I'm getting a 302. All right, this is the issue here. So it's kind of working, but it's not working. If I, yep, it sends me right back. Okay, so that's what I wanted to test. That was the first thing. All right, we've got all that. Let me go here. Well, it looks like they're just delayed because mine that was sent at 9:23 just arrived. So maybe I'll put like some flavor text at the bottom that says it may take up to 30 minutes to arrive. Yeah, if you want to try, well, actually, no, because I'm going to spin down. Excuse me. For my right. This. Oh, that doesn't work here. Video, infra, Docker. Yeah, the network won't shut down. Oh, hold on. I need to. I want to get the logs. Need to check these logs because this is a big deal. Yes. And then SSH here. Still logged in. Go to dashboard. What? What the? But now what? I haven't changed this. What? I have upgraded it. What the hell? We've already been through this shit. Where the hell was that? There was a... Okay, then I'm gonna have to do something with DMARC, or I'm gonna have to change the no reply to hello or something. But it's a dead email address. Like, do not respond to this email because it'll go nowhere. But I need to do something so it doesn't go to spam. I do have the flavor text saying that it shouldn't go to spam, but what the hell is going on with this though? This is... This is so wrong. It's so wrong. It's not right. Okay, this is a something. But we're getting two different issues. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break here too and go get coffee because I'm gonna need more caffeine to get through this. Yeah. Let's fix this first. Or down the site. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, just a moment. All right, back, and y'all are on a roll. I'm just going to let it go. Welcome in, Troubadour. First time chat. Good to see you. You know, Tricky, I saw that you're having problems with how long it takes to get accepted. That came out wrong. Fishman, I didn't see you. I didn't see you. Here, I'll put I'll pin the words on stream thing. There. Hiding in the shadows. Lurking. There, that's better. You don't know what the word is. You don't know what the word is. I guess bonker isn't a word, but Troubadour. Bonk. I don't know. All right, I need to look at the dev tools on this and see what domain. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, no, I can see here. I can see here. Applications. These. Prone. Ooh, good one. Actually, I think you're right, but isn't krone the Danish currency? Krone with a K? Uh-oh. Or some European currency, I think. And then krone with a C is like the old lady witch type archetype. Okay, let's check that. Give me fuel, give me fire. FLUEPO. Do you have any H's? Try hope. Hope. Okay, Z is fake. Z is fake. There we go. Okay. Let me. Well, before I move up to prod, this is bad. Murder most foul. All right, I'm gonna continue this until so y'all R is fake. Troubadour, it's a tool. I have good impressions of it. I don't know what your job is. But I've had good uses with it. However, it all depends on how you use it. It's a tool, just like anything else. And if you use it, if you use it like a hammer trying to put in a screw, is that valid? Yeah, sure. Then it's not going to work. But if you use it the way that it should be used, and in my opinion, that is using it by taking a lot of time to write out prompts, to check its work, to write, to understand how .claude or Claude.md, agents MD, the skills, hooking into different MCPs. If you understand how those work, then it's a lot better to use. I don't trust it. When I first started this project, I was saying that, you know, I'm vibe coding it, but that's not true. If anything, I'm pair programming with Claude because I'm verifying every line of code that it puts in. I'm not just taking everything that it does as its word, and I'm very, very, very clearly defining tasks. And sometimes what that means is I go into, let me keep you going. I go into Claude on Web and I give it an initial pre-prompt and I say, help me write a prompt to accomplish this. My general mentality is I wouldn't use it to do anything that I couldn't do without it. No, you be fake. Yeah, haps, mayhap. Let's check that. Ours? No, no. I'm just gonna let you all keep on going. Okay, so we got a couple. Thindle, I appreciate it. Life, life, it finds a way. Thindle, I'm doing great. I'm writing some garbage code or some garbage language because I'm a garbage person. Ooh, fake and hidden. This is where we separate the sheep from the lambs. I hate the missing letter one. Oh, I need to do some Some shouts. Some shouts. Nope, not you. We're gonna do this. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. I think M is fake. Oh, almost. Almost. Silence. That was a noble effort. We made it to 14. 14. That's two lucky numbers together. 7 and 7. Alrighty. So while you are all playing around, yeah, we're verifying that if valid token. Yep. Forward auth, request headers. Yes. Yes. All right. Good, 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 good. Will do. Will definitely do, and I appreciate it. Yeah. Fix. Then what it say to do? You see upd. Oh, I already did the upd. The upd dance is your chance to do the up. Let's do a quick, just to make sure everything's built, everything's running. DC up, B, force recreate. Yeah. PS. Okay, well, that shut down everything, which does explain why it stopped working, but PC, yes. There we go. Boom. Boom. There we go. Those you. Yep. Up. Sign out. Get rid of my tokens here. Sign in. Session token, looking good. Create for site. Creating site. So that should be spinning up. I need to give it a little bit of time here and have the thing change color here, like it shows. All right. Damn it. Clear out everything because that did not seem to work. Oh, well, you know what? I can live with this. Got that. Done. Nothing here. Okay. Why is it still in use? Okay, we'll do this. We'll get up D. Oh, that is not going to work. Ooh, this is bad. It's very bad. Not how it should be. I've got a sighting here that needs to go. Yep. Remove. Okay. Nope, not rebuild, just build. Just build. It's going to do a lot of stuff here. But I don't want to say that it's not working if it is. But we might have to make some changes. This is going to take, historically, it's taken about 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. Doing that while I'm doing this. No. The RSA, but I need to SSH. User at ID hub. Got that. Now, no interpreter. New terminal. Doesn't matter where. SSH. Let's do another instance here. Just in case, just to be safe. Just be safe. I don't trust y'all. Don't take it personally. You're all sketch. That's it. Oh, okay. You exit. Then let's see if this works. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at this. Keep you there just in case I need it. Oh, I'm saying look at this, and I've got you all, blocked out. Okay, then we're looking here. We're all built. Make sure we're getting everything right before I go and say, hey, this still isn't working because all the reasons. Yep. Yes. Okay. Blur off. Checking my email. It's gonna make me wait again. So while I'm waiting, maybe I should turn off email verification before. Now that I know that it works, probably turn it off for testing in prod. After I get through this. It's only 7 minutes behind. No big deal. Jesus, come on. Yep. No, not new. I want a new message. Refreshed. Yeah, while waiting, might as well just toss out some shout outs because why not? Da 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 dun 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 da 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 dun dun da 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 dun dun dun. Beep 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 do do do. The best Superman theme. The only Superman theme as far as I'm concerned. Do 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 do. Why won't the email just come through? Come through like a good email. I'm blaming Google for this. Or maybe I'm blaming not Google. Maybe I'm blaming resend. It can't be me though. Whoever tried to sign in. Uh 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 uh. You didn't say the magic word. I should warn you all that anybody who's trying to do some shenaniganery. My email, I don't mind showing it because it's me at CreoDrop. You're not going to miss that. However, when I'm looking through the logs, you use an email, here's a chance of it being seen. Now, because I asked Assist to do it, Oh, actually was that. Oh, desist. I just saw it was Hotmail. I just remembered that you said you checked Hotmail. Wow. You can't blame me though, because this chat has shenan once. And given the chance, you will shenan again. Yes, I stole that from Star Trek. Deal with it. More spam? Nope. Was that 5 minutes ago? God damn it, this is boring. Ooh. I got a frother for my coffee. I've been making frothy coffee. Little Nespresso plus some foam. Some hot foam. The hottest foam. There we go. Okay, remember, shut down site if it doesn't spin up or if the thing doesn't work. Remember, shut down site. I need the badge here. Let me just... Where is Mikey in bed? Okay. I have something about... This is... Yep, there we go. Let's knock that out. Okay. So I've logged in. Once again, sends me right back. Yeah, mine came through, but it's a 7-minute delay, and I don't know if that's my domain, if it's resend, if it's me, if it's Gmail. I don't know. Eh. It's still not working. Let's get some logs in here. Just out of curiosity. Just because I'm curious. Yes. Gonna install you because we're all containerized here. We're all such containers. Wow, mini container. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Oh, heck yeah. What's going on over here? Get that out of here. Okay, so there's my sighting. View logs. There's that, and then anything on here. Logs. Nothing. Nothing there. A no session cookie. Ow, my eyes. This one is what? Roll. And this is fine. That's fine. And this needs to be in airspace, which is air. Okay. Spin the site down. Let's go check over here. It should be spun down. I should only have one phenomenon. Perfect. Okay. Check if middleware is registered. Here is the output of the inspect command. Right there. But it's compacting. Okay, so saying that it's working, sign out, close it. Close it. Close it. Damien, welcome in. How you doing? Let me do a quick, what the hell? Stop messaging me, people. I am I'm streaming. All right, let's look over here. That phenomenon good. We are in airspace traffic. Let's see. Log. Tedious work. Nativizing. Ooh. Yeah, good luck with that. What? 551. What? Why is it what? This isn't right. Okay, let's close everything down without removing any networks. Networks still in use. There you are. That's fine. PC up. D. Udem logs. Is that? That's fine. You are still doing the thing. I've reset everything. Let me just check because it should be long enough. Nope. Give me that damn 307 again. Close all of them down. Ah, Stack Overflow. Why do you hurt me? Why Stack Overflow? Why are you so bright? Rebuild, redeploy API. I can do that. But first, let's get a better idea of what's going on here. Get at P. We're console logging everything. Logging all the consoles. All headers. All headers. Okay. Okay, did that. Visit a protected site. So let's create a protected site. And it's doing that. And then y'all wanted me to okay, created. Mm, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Get you and let's see what you got here. Come on, Claw. Come on, Claw. Oh, there's a thing. Content encryption key length. This would have taken me a week to figure out on my own. Probably more than a week. That's one hunk. It should be two hunk. And then it's pull. What do you want? Build API. Up the API. You're not the one. Okay. Log out. Close down. Close down. Close down. Panel. What the hell? No, let's get rid of the site. Because I'm about to burn this to the ground. I'm doing a no cache build. I'm going to take another break while this is running. Run to the bathroom. I'll be back shortly.
Weather Channel.
Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. Repeat. Oh. Not I mean
Say to bust it.
Oh.
Bust it, JD. Bust the ass.
Fuck. Yeah. Mm-mm.
Well, I say kick it. Excuse me, Mr. Officer.
I've made life. I've made it weird. Just a little weird. All right, let's un. That's why it looks away.
Greg suggested I drug my kids.
But I'm trying to plan out my paths, which is why we've got the lines trailing me. And I'm gonna call this Tutorial Cave. Just finished up with Tutorial Cave.
Give me 5 JD. Yeah, let's all yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right, catch you later. All right, yeah, this is a fun game.
That'd be funny if Fendo wants to join.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. Ah. Holy shit. Hold on. We got a clip. Got a clip. Da, 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 da. So for anybody who watches Let's Game It Out, one of my favorite things that he does is there a limit? And it would appear there is, and I've met it, and I broke the game. The pendulum, like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. Just like that. Or for nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they get back. Let's see what's going on. Exporting layers should be about done. I'm rebuilding everything all the way up from the bottom. I know I don't have to. I don't have to rebuild everything, but excuse me, I'm gonna. What? Stacker logs, Bluebook control. Oops, that's gonna air out now, ain't it? Probably. More than likely. Excuse me. Yeah, everything be up and running. No, not again. Uh, okay. We might just we might just I don't know where I was going with that. Switch out to something else for a little bit. Whoa. All this stuff is taking way too long to sign up and get everything. What's up, Mirabelle? How you doing? Good to see you. Go back to login. Wait for my email. It's gonna be 7 minutes. Because that's just the way things go. All right, come on. Come on. While that's going, though, hi, hello, Steam. Oh, I'm still blurry. Why didn't anybody tell me? Jesus. Get back here. Source routes off. Source routes off 200. Where you at? API. Anything here get changed? That anything in the API? No, the API should be rebuilt like every time. That might be part of the problem. Okay, what about my containers here? What the? Let's get everything back up here. Come on with it. No shit. Okay, let's see here. It's a DCD. Somebody just trying to get in on this? There's no reason that it should be like. Yeah, whatever. I'm getting really fed up with this. Decryption operation failed. Okay. I want to know what the security implications are, because encrypted, can't read user ID. Yeah. Control both sides, uses signing, well documented, more maintainable, right? And contents are who could intercept? I want our shit to be secure. I think that my potential customers would as well. Site physical access, malware, browser extensions, me. Okay, while that's going on, did I get rid of all my sites? I did. Let's kill everything here. Clear everything as well. Okay. Go with the sign JWT. And I'm dropping frames too. So why not? Why wouldn't something like that happen? Okay, well that's working. Oh, you'll do. You'll do just fine. Wait, what are we overwriting? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Hope you're doing well. Appreciate you being here. What'd you do? Oh, I already had one. Just a moment, something might change here.
Hey, insert
What?
rating streamer's
Kombucha
name
Dev.
here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. How's it going, Kombucha Dev? How was your stream? What were you getting up to? Looks like I don't have a follow on you yet, so let's get that fixed. Thank you. Thank you for that. Who else we got in here? I saw Madge Kasek, CPHP, follow, no questions asked. Got him answer, welcome in first time chat as well. Some French I don't understand. Kombucha Dev, thank you for the follow. So welcome in Raiders. What were you doing? What were you working on? Ah, you are French. Okay. That is appreciated because I hate the stereotype, but it's true for a reason. I am a dumb American, and I only speak English because public school system doesn't really care. I need Duolingo, don't I? So what I'm working on right now, and introduce myself here for a second. For readers coming in who don't know me, I am JD. I am normally I'm a professional web developer, software engineer for my day job. Normally on stream, I do game dev stuff with the Godot game engine. And if you look around, like all these little TVs running around here, they're all made in Godot. Part of my overlay is built in Godot. I used to have a lot more, but it was a lot of pain and pressure on my GPU. But what I'm working on right now is my web hosting platform using Drupal. So I'm building out the infrastructure. Drupal is a CMS, if you don't know, that there are a lot of things happening in Drupal that are really cool and going to make things really, really fun and really easy to work with. Mainly the drag and drop page builder. I think this is the one that I've been putting in. Part of my work that I've been doing is building a bunch of components here. Oh, got to work on comment. A bunch of components. Oh, I got to work on a lot of stuff here. Look at these. We'll get through this. We'll get through this together. But making it so that you can build out a site with no technical knowledge and spin it up. And then when you are done, if you outgrow my service, or if you just want to move on because it's open source, your site is open source, you'll be able to pull down the code and your data and take it to another host. So my key thing is I don't keep your data. It's all yours. I am pair programming with Claude Code because it knows a lot of stuff that I don't. I know some stuff that it don't. We work well together. All right. So right now I'm working on a bug where okay, we'll check that with the edge case. No the edge case in agents MD. So yeah, right now I'm working on some pain in the ass things here. That are preventing me from viewing sites that have been spun up. Initially, I realized that there was a security issue because there was a period of time between after spinning up a site and the site, and you having, as a user, you having a chance to go and create the site or do the installation, select all the stuff that you want. Between that time, there was a chance that some attacker could get into your site and install it under their own and change everything. So what I'm doing now is making sure that that is not possible, that the user, to get to a non custom DNS version of a site, and I'm using like uuid.prod.careerdrop.com. To get to that, you have to have a token or a cookie coming from the dashboard. But there's some weirdness going on getting the cookie sent between panel and the UUID prod URL. So that's what I'm trying to debug now. Docker, see, build, API. Let's do it again with no cache. And if y'all have any questions at all, feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to talk about this. I've been working on it since end of December. I'm hoping to be launched, at least for testing, very soon. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I already made this change. Okay, I've got all my containers going. Panel should be up. I'm gonna check this. Make sure I get out of that. Then close you, close you, close you. Panel. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do. Okay, so we're logged in. We are logged in. Create my site. I don't care what the name is. That. Boom. It's ready to go. Now, standard CPU. We got that site created. Ew. All right, I've given it enough time to get SSL. Okay. Got this. Let's clear everything. Delete all of you. Sign in. It may be time for a break from this. I have cleared out everything. I destroyed all the things. Wait a minute. Oh. Shit. Shit. Okay, that's my fault. That's my fault. That is definitely my fault because I didn't reset the control panel as well. And both of the files that just came over were here. That's in my, where are you? My middleware, control panel middleware. Yeah, if I don't rebuild my control panel, then it's not going to work. Oh, idiot. Let's see if I can fix that. Well, I don't know if I could fix me being an idiot, but okay, DC up D. Let's get everything back up here. And we're good, I hope. Come on. Spin up. My sighting is still up. My demo should still be up. So I think that I'm going to take, name volume. All right. Okay. Sign out. Let's just make sure I don't have any CSRF or CSRF token and callback URL. Fine. Log in. Inspect here. API token. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And try to log in from here. Yeah, it sends me right back. Okay, we got it. Okay, so it works now. Okay, remove dev email. Here's a to do and off yes that. I would call it a bug. It's just a thing that we need to fix. And then let's see about this. No changes. Oh, just the agent's empty. Fine. Next task. And Ben. Nope. Hello now. Site is ready to be set up. This should happen on what screen is that? Okay, site new. Ba-ba-da. Site's new. The site created card. All right, where do I have the badges? Where I have those in control panel, I think. And in my components, they're UI, badge. I don't have. Let's see, it says running. God, I hate you so much, Tailwind. Just so much. Running, stop, starting, provisioning. Yep, there we go. Hmm. What do y'all think? Is provisioning just saying that I'm setting aside resources for this site? And starting is resources are set aside and I'm actually starting it? Let me see. What should order of status? You don't know me at all. Created, running. Those beginning tone for starting. Okay. Before starting. After SSL has been confirmed. It should have no effects on any Is it you know, hold on. Let's plan it first. Let's plan it out. I'm dropping frames again. Dropping frames. Oh. Jungle love. Oh. It's slowing me down again. Dropping frames. I don't like dropping frames. Yeah, I wonder if it's going to come up with a good plan for this because it shouldn't be too difficult. TM. Copyright. Registered. Shouldn't be. Ooh. Oh. how y'all doing over on YouTube? Doing all right? Because I just got the boot. I don't know if it's going to let me keep going. Yeah, I'm in default. Yeah.